Hi guys, so I'm sure you guys seen that video floating around with the police, the bus driver and the police tussling for the keys to the bus, and they were arguing and all that.
Give me the key. Give me the key from the bus. The bus sees this bus to what? Give me the key. To what? This bus to what?
Well, subsequently the man was arrested, the bus driver was arrested. And here he is, his side of the story, because we only heard the police officer's side, and the police officers was saying that he basically didn't want to give up his keys and he was operating a vehicle without a license. But here his side of the story, and he says a bus driver caught on video taking away the keys to a policeman's service vehicle after the lawman sought to reprimand him for a report traffic breach, has expressed regret over his actions. However, Shamir Simpson, who plies the Montego Bay to Falmouth route in western Jamaica, claims that his angry outburst was triggered by the cop wrongfully accusing him of operating a bus without a road license. It was a case of breakdown in communication, Simpson said. Recalling the incident, he said that he just stepped out of his parked bus when the policeman went inside the vehicle and seized the key while wrongfully accusing him of operating the bus without a road license. I have two buses, a coaster and a minibus. The paper needed to be sorted out for one of them, but the other one, the one that I was in at the time, was fine, explained the driver. To strengthen his case, he also shared a photo of the road license purported to be of the bus involved in the incident. Simpson believed the police officer was acting on prior reports that he was operating a vehicle without a road license, but according to the driver, the policeman took the keys to his bus without checking the paperwork, which he said triggered the standoff, which was caught on video and went viral. A 2-minute video shows the police officers attempting to seize the bus, but instead of complying, the driver of the vehicle takes the key of the cop's service motorcycle. The video shows the officer warning the bus operator against leaving with his keys, but the motorist in return issues his own threat to the cop. Officer, if you give me back my key, you're not getting back your key. You don't know me, Sergeant. You can't take me key. You must be mad. The motorist is heard telling the policeman in the video. You're bright and feisty about to take man key out a bus, he continues, before warning the cop that he is not to be played around with. The accused would later return the key to the policeman, but his didn't allow him to escape the wrath of the law enforcers. Simpson was fined $15,000 for operating a bus without a road license and charged with assaulting a police officer and resisting arrest. He told us that he was sorry about how he dealt with the issue, but insisted that if the policeman had done his checks, the incident could have been avoided. And that is a lot of cases in Jamaica. When a lot of police officers approach you, they approach you knowing what the end result is going to be. Them approach and knowing to them won't lock you up. Them approach and knowing to them won't seize a vehicle. Them approach and knowing that no matter what, them won't get them way. And a lot of the time, miscommunication, anger, passion, and just ignorance get caught in the middle when police officers are handling civilians. Yes, we know your job is rough. Yes, you put your life in danger and risk your life every day for our safety. But as citizens and as people, we're the one paying you your salary. So you need to respect us and give us the respect that we need. And then in turn, you're going to get that respect back. If he had simply just checked the man's paperwork and not have gone into the man's bus and taken his key, this whole situation would have not happened, would have not went viral, and would have hit, like, this whole thing could have been avoided. But how does this officer break, like, I don't know what the protocol is in Jamaica, but how do you go into someone's vehicle and take their keys without asking them for proper paperwork, proper information and all that? That baffles me, how they're allowed to break protocol and then in turn also lock up a resident or a civilian. Like, I don't understand that at all. You can't break protocol and then you'll try lock up somebody in the process. That's not fair. That's not right. You need to follow all the steps and do your job properly. And also for the civilians in Jamaica, you guys need to know that they're doing their job. And to do police work in Jamaica is very hard, and it takes a special type of person. We know that a lot about Apple in the JCF, but sometimes you guys can give them a break because they're human too. They're probably having a bad day. Then probably go through something at them yard. Them wife just cuss them out, then just argue with the person that's ahead of them. Like, there can be so much thing going on in somebody's life that you don't know about. So you need to give them a blight sometime and actually communicate and take the ignorance out of it when dealing with the police officers, or just take the high road. What happened to taking the high road with situation like this? No, a lot of these situations with JCF officers are going viral on social media because people just take out them phone and video the foolishness, and it's getting annoying now. So comment in the comment section and tell me what you guys think. Do you think that he deserved to get that $15,000 fine because he was being belligerent and ignorant and taking this police officer key? Or do you think that he shouldn't have been fined because the police didn't practice proper protocol before going into this man's car and taking his keys? Okay, comment in the comment section and tell me what you guys think. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe to your girl here on YouTube. What part of here, man? Deuces.
Where are we? Alright. Where are you guys taking the guy here? Give me the key for the bus. Why are you guys taking the guy here? Right, I'm here to go man, take the bus. Start, no pay no charge. Give me the key. Give me the key for the bus first. The bus seize this bus for what? Give me the key. For what? Seize bus for what? I remember. What do you must start? Bus key first. Give me the key for the bus. I'm up here with it. I'm up here with it. Tell that to me. You can't play any other bus number. You can't play anything to this start. Say that bumper. What do you say?